Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload a video in WordPress website. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your site's content, pages, media, and settings. Once you are on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure everything is fully loaded so the menu options are easy to access. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Pages. This section contains all the pages that are currently created on your WordPress website. If you are uploading a video to an existing page, this is where you can find it and make changes. After that, locate the sample page in the list and click Edit. This opens the page in the WordPress editor where you can add and arrange content blocks. If you are unfamiliar with the block editor, don't worry. It is designed to make adding content, including videos, very straightforward. Once the page editor opens, go to the top left corner and click the plus sign. This button lets you insert a new block into the page. In WordPress, blocks are used for different types of content, such as text, images, galleries, and videos. Choosing the correct block helps ensure your content is displayed properly. When the block menu appears, type video into the search field. This is a quick way to find the right content block without scrolling through the full list of options. As you type, matching block types will appear. From the search results, click on Video. This inserts a video block into your page. The video block is specifically built for uploading and displaying video files directly on your WordPress page, making it a good choice when you want the video to be embedded neatly within your content. You will now see the option to upload a file. Click Upload, then browse your computer and select the sample video you want to add. Once you choose the file, WordPress will begin uploading it. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so it is best to wait until the upload is fully complete before making any further changes. After the video finishes uploading, it will appear inside the page editor. At this point, you can review its placement on the page and make sure it looks the way you want. This is a good time to preview the page if needed, so you can confirm the video displays correctly for visitors. That's it. You have successfully uploaded a video to a WordPress website page.